Then let's move into the final case. That is value addition. So now you have been here for sometimes, at least for 3 months. What is the theme of this university? Or kind of a motto of this university? It is value addition to national resources. In fact, when we started this university in 2006, we had the same question. How we can have a better welfare level to its people, right? Or how to have a higher level of welfare for the people of this country. Then we looked at the options. We can increase the technology. Of course, we had science and technology faculty. So we wanted science and technology to increase the technology. And we can have new resource finding. And so if we do some research, very good research, and find new resources, of course, that will increase the production point of the economy. And then the management faculty, we expected they will enhance the process. And thereby we have the efficiency in the production process. So efficiency, increase in efficiency also will generate higher level of welfare. If all these three fails, we can have value addition. Going along with these three, what we can do value addition. If we do value addition, of course, level of welfare will be high. That can be simply explained again with this graph. Forget about PPFV, but just take PPF. PPF is what we had previously. Production possibility frontier with original scenario. And it touches at I2, right? The utility of that scenario is I2. We are producing at E, consuming and producing M amount of mobile phones and C amount of computers. Let's say there is no international trade for simplicity or easy understanding, right? Whatever we produce, consume within this country. Then PPF, that is physical, 15 mobile phones and 5 computers. Those are numbers, physical value. But what we can do, we can enhance the physical value of these goods and services by doing the value addition. So what we mean by value addition, that is, we can change the good or the service little bit. Or we can make the consumer happier than previous. If we can make someone happier than previous, then he or she will be willing to pay more price. That is value addition. For example, the very common one, we have bulk tea exports in Sri Lanka. We put them into 50 kilos boxes and send it to Colombo auction and sell. So the maximum price we would gain from Colombo auction for 1 kilo of tea will be 1,000 rupees. Then a company in United Kingdom, like Lipton Ceylon tea. So what Lipton company does, it will buy bulk tea from Sri Lanka and take that into UK and put them into sachet packet, that small packets, and wrap this and put the titles Lipton Ceylon tea and sell it in foreign countries. Probably 1 kilo may be like 30,000-40,000 rupees. Right? We are just selling back black tea with 1,000 rupees per kg, whereas we could earn 30,000-40,000 rupees per 1 kg if we are doing that, at least the sachet packet thing. We call that value addition. since value addition is important in your life, I will put one very common example. That is, we have rice. We have rice and curry. So we have rice and then curry. This is the lunch. So then what we can do, we can put some vegetables and oil and butter and so on and mix it. Then we call that as fried rice. If rice and curry is 100 rupee, fried rice will be 200 rupee. Why is that? It is because value addition. The cook has increased the value of rice by putting that into the form of fried rice. So that is known as value addition. Whenever you do the value addition and you have certain value, you improve the value, enhance the value. If you do that, people are willing to pay more, like what I just explained about the Lipton Ceylon tea. If you are doing nothing, just send the tea. They will pay only 1,000 rupees. If you put that into nice bag with that yellow packing and so on, of course the brand matter, then it goes up to 30,000-40,000. Therefore, whenever you do the value addition, value of your production will be much higher, right? Then we have another assumption here. PF is defined with the unit price rate. That is 1 kilo of mobile phone, one mobile phone and one computer equal to $1 or 1 rupee or whatever, one monetary unit. Because PPF is physical production, therefore we have one monetary unit in when we define the PPF. So the physical curve and the monetary curve will be the same. But let's assume there is an increase in the value. Because of value addition, now the consumers are willing to pay more. Therefore, we have higher value for our production, which is given by PPFV. It was PPF originally, now PPF value. So it is, the prices are more than 1 rupee. Then you can see here, like previous case, if we are getting into PPFV, now we will be settling not at point E, we will be settling at point C. Because that is the value. The previous value was at this M and C, now new values are here and here. And this new values touches the I3 curve. We learned that I3 is better than I2, right? The happiness of the country or utility of the country is higher when we are going to I3 compared to I2, right? And this point was unattainable. This much of happiness could not be achievable given the previous conditions. But now they are achievable. I3 level, of course, not these points, we are producing at and consuming at this point, but your happiness is I3, which is higher than I. Therefore, we say we are achieving some of unattainable consumption points or welfare points. But here what happens, the level of welfare of the country is improved because of value addition. Right? Okay.